Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 5 Kashmiri youth in the Kulgam district. The youth were killed by the troops in a fake encounter during a cordon and search operation in the Kadar area of the district on Thursday. The Indian police said that the youth were killed in an orchard. The operation continued till last reports came in. Illegally detained chairman of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Musarrat Alam Butt, has condemned the oppressive actions of India's Hindu nationalist Bharatiya Janata Party government in occupied Kashmir. In a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, Musarrat Alam Butt said that the BJP, driven by its Hindutva ideology, has further tightened its grip on the Kashmiri people by imposing repressive laws in the territory. India's notorious National Investigation Agency has conducted searches in occupied Kashmir and 3 Indian states in connection with the so-called smuggling of the prohibited weapons. The searches were carried out at 17 locations. However, the critics argue that such operations target the Kashmiri civilians. A complete shutdown was observed in the Katra town, the base camp for the Vaishno Devi pilgrimage in the Reasi district. The protest against the imposed ill-conceived ropeway project. The protesters staged a big rally carrying placards and wearing black armbands demanding the immediate scrapping of the project from occupied Kashmir. Body of a police havaldar was found under mysterious circumstances in the Rajouri district. The havaldar was found unconscious near the district police lines in the Rajouri today. The police forcibly stopped peaceful marches by the Congress workers to the Governor House, Raj Bhavan in Srinagar and Jammu. This action comes despite the Congress being part of the ruling coalition in the territory, highlighting that the ultimate authority remains concentrated with the Delhi-appointed Lieutenant Governor. Pakistan has strongly criticized the recent US sanctions imposed on the commercial entities, calling the move biased and detrimental to the peace in South Asia. The sanctions have been termed an attempt to undermine Pakistan's strategic defense capabilities, the Foreign Office said in a statement.